All right, so today we're gonna learn about the VI editor. VI is the editor that is there forever since I've worked with Linux. It's basically should not be a topic of discussion in this course because we are using these basic level of editors in Windows and um, Linux and other operating systems. It's just like a notepad. But if you have something in relation to you want to work something in this kind of editor, yes, you can work on these editors still because they are there for the legacy systems. Uh, it is one of there used to be in the times at that time, and I don't remember all the editors at that time. We used to have Emac and VI and other editors. They are still there because they are the part of the legacy. But right now, as you can understand, everybody uses OpenOffice or Microsoft Office as their editor because of the powerfulness in them. Anyway, so we are looking to this VI editor. When we go to the terminal, how we can go to the VI editor? We can go to the terminal in Linux and just select type VI. Now we have three choices here: open new, open the existing one, or just type VI. And when we type enter VI, it will open up the VI editor. Obviously, at that time, it will not. You are not opening an existing file, or you are not creating a new file with the new name. You're just creating a VI. You are just opening the VI editor. So once you open up the VI editor with the file name, then that file will be created. Right now, it is created at a root. So my new file is this. Typing. When you start typing, nothing happens. Very interesting because you expect when you have the editor working, you're ready to go and you should be able to type anything in it. But no, you can't just do that simply like that. You have to press insert key or I key or S key to start typing in it. So that's a little bit of drawback that I think that why you have to ignite that. You have to ignite the typing. Now, if you type something in this, you type, this is my new file. Yes, you can type that. Now, if you are to insert here, you have to, let's say if you want to, let's say you have typed something in it, you have ready, you want to insert, you forgot to insert something, or you want to insert something in here. It is very, very nice. To insert something that you have already written, you have to type type insert keys. So wherever you want to go, you have to scroll with the keyboard up and down, left, right arrow key. And once you are there, you will be entering the insert key twice, and then you will be able to insert. Or then you can enter or replace. Mode not helpful. It's not helpful. User insert the key to get back and insert mode again. So that's the only thing. And as you can see, as you do something here, it will ask you to replace. So if you press insert 2 times, then it will add that place. If you just insert 1 time, then it will overwrite what has been written. It is very nice. How to save the file? Now there's a part to it. To save the file, we need to be in the command mode, not the command line mode. So this is the command. The commands that you will type, you will be seeing at the bottom of the screen. So that is called command mode. How do you do that? You will press escape, colon, and W key. And then you are actually writing that file. So it will write that file, and you can enter that. And it will be the new file will be created. This is a new file. Now, if you want to save as, you have to type escape, colon, W, and the file name that you want to create it, right? So we are seeing quite a few things here. If the file is already open, you are just saving it, no problem. It will let you, and it shows you how many number of characters you have written in here, or which line you are, line number 1, which every editor gives you the flexibility of such that like that. Now, if you just don't want to change anything, you're just viewing the file, what you will do, escape, colon, W and Q. Write and quit. So whatever you have done, you will just write and quit right away. If you press escape, colon, exit, you are not saving anything, you are just exiting the editor. So all these operations that I'm telling you here, though these operations can be find out in the online portal where you can look how you can quit, how you can quit without saving, how you can quit with saving, how you can quit with a save as. All these should be available in the manual of VI. So if you type man VI, it will give you all the manual instruction for that. And internet is full of resources like that. You can always Google what each of them does, so you can save that way. Now, if the file already exists, you can VI and open up that new file and enter. Now, here, let's see if you, let's see what I just want to make sure that I will give you the right information. Yeah. So DW is the key. DW is the key of the command combination. Takes the word in the memory and takes you where you want to put it. So the buffer is filled up with that space, and you can say DW, and then you can do the copy and paste. P is the press P to insert wherever you want it. DE command does the same, but with no space. So very tedious at this point, I would say. So that DW selects everything, but will not include the last space, but DE will not select any space. So very tedious to remember every shortcut keys here, but I have to go with it. U key to do the undo part of it. DD cuts the same line and cuts the entire line of the text, and then you can paste it somewhere else. P to insert again, right? This is my new line. So D dollar signs to cut from where the cursor to the end of the line. So let's say if I have taken this part and I press D dollar, it will cut this whole part and keeps it in its memory. And wherever you want to paste it, you can paste it with the P command. Again, this is a new file. N key to jump to the multiple instances of the word search. So yeah, you can search in the VI editor as well. You can see all the commands you can search in the search menu as well available for you. So don't worry, all the shortcut keys will be available. Edit, cut, copy, paste, just like a normal notepad editor will be available. N key to jump to the multiple instance, and it's very hard to remember all the shortcut keys, so I don't expect that. It's the part of the VI editor is the part of the course, so I have to go there. I'm just going over there. So if you press escape / nice, it will go and look for the word nice in the text file, and then you can move to the next key, backward search. For backward search, you can, so this one will be doing the forward search. This one will be doing the backward search with a question mark and nice. It will go to the backward search. YY command, but the text won't change. Why? Let's look at that. Yes, you did that and you entered that and you press that. So once you have everything in Search wise is good. Now if you YY command, it will copy everything and then paste it again. Then you can do that. As you can see, quote this column Q will quit and say no write since the last change, so it will not allow you to do the change. Column Q exclamation. If you have done so many changes, it will not allow you to do that, but for that you have to do column Q exclamation sign, and then it will not complain that you have done too many changes. This is the bad part about VI, that it will say, hey, you cannot make save changes because you have done so many changes in this file. I know why they are doing that, but in this day and age it's not a applicable part. And then you can save it as a VI editor. Okay, so this is our VI editor that I wanted to go today. Thank you.